Next, we have Jessica Wright, who will be giving a talk titled Impacts of Aging Natural Gas Infrastructure on Street Trees. Jess.
Hey, Evan and everyone. Thank you for that introduction. I'm really excited to be here. And I will just give a little bit of background as to kind of what inspired this project that I am working heavily on this summer. Last summer, I was able to do my urban internship with the city of Cambridge here where I live. And the city of Cambridge was interested in understanding the state of the science when it comes to natural gas energy and how the city can approach transitioning off of natural gas and onto electricity, and understanding more clearly the impacts of natural gas energy from a climate change standpoint, from a job market standpoint, and from a public health standpoint. And one of my understandings from both my work during my urban internship, but also with a lot of local nonprofits who are tackling energy transition and transition specifically off of natural gas, is the role that natural gas leaks have on street trees or urban vegetation more broadly, tying into those themes of tree equity that we've talked a little bit about throughout the presentations today, and just understanding the role that energy infrastructure, specifically aging infrastructure in Massachusetts, has, and the role that it plays on actually significantly reducing vegetation in some areas. So I've been working to kind of attempt to provide a little bit more scientific support for activists working in this space, as well as creating some tools that hopefully will be useful for municipal leaders and decision makers in the world of energy transition at both the city and state level. So my goal is to use a couple of different urban systems modeling techniques and programs to create a comprehensive decision support model that would demonstrate the impacts of natural gas leaks on urban street trees. And this is kind of a case study of how infrastructure ecology, or the influence of underground infrastructure on above ground infrastructure, works, and thinking about urban systems as a whole. Can you go to the next slide? So the expected outcomes of this project, again, working with my advisors and a couple of researchers, we're hoping to estimate the impact of a gas leak on the growth of a street tree. What happens is when a street tree is planted in soil near a leaking gas pipe, the methane can travel under the ground and actually push oxygen out of the tree pit itself. And that can cause quite a bit of damage to the street tree and prevent newly planted saplings from growing to a useful maturity. So our goal is to use different scenario modelings to actually quantify the ecosystem services that could be provided by street trees were all natural gas leaks removed, more so natural gas infrastructure fully taken offline, and all of the different ecosystem services and climate and public health impacts that we could see from this transition. Thank you.